Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab. It's built to C15 cat, 550 horsepower, and 18 speed. It's got 553,000 miles, wet kit. I've gotten it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you everything that we've got here, frame rails, tires, brakes, everything that you'd want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Frame rails are clean. Southern truck, no rust. Excellent rubber all the way around. Low bias, excellent. Your body looks really good. Only blemishes, you got little right there on the edge of the fender and right there on the top part of the hood that you don't see from the ground unless you have the hood tilted over. Hydraulic tank, single line wet kit. Excellent matched Goodyears on the rear. It's got a pinnable fifth wheel as well. Inside the frame rails are clean. There's your wet kit tower. No warnings. Let's see, just below the operating temp, but excellent low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.